to Danone Aqua Research and Innovation Lab in HO Kawasan, Jakarta. Let's go inside. At Danone Aqua Research and Innovation, we strive to make water healthier choice for all and delivering the natural benefits of water. We consider the spirit of innovation, and this is where our journey of product innovation commences. As we step inside, let's first discover our collaborative spaces, starting with the meeting room. Our meeting room serves as a center for brainstorming sessions and discussions. Now, let's step into the product lab. This is Ina, product lab analyst. She will try to share our innovative processes here in the product lab to you.
Thank you, Gina. Hi, welcome to product lab. Let's go. Before entering the lab, we must wear lab coat, safety shoes, shoe cover, and head cover to ensure the safety. In the lab product, we can do many activities such as product prototyping, physical chemical analysis, and also shelf life monitoring. First, prototyping product. Prior to creating innovative products, our process starts with scientific research. For beverage, we can do prototyping in lab scale as the process of innovation, reformulation, or BCP raw material. The process starts from weighing ingredients, mixing, pasteurizing, and storing. We can also do water simulation, such as making RO water using water filtration. It can reduce up to 75% of water content, and also making carbonated water using carbonator. As a part of research process, we need to check the physical and chemical characteristic of product. We have oxygen meter to check the oxygen content, turbidity meter to check the turbidity, multi-parameter to check the pH and conductivity, refractometer to check the bricks, auto titrator to check the acidity, and color meter to check the color. Last but not least, where we engage our panel to evaluate product sensory performance. Okay, that's all about product lab. Goodbye.
After the interesting insight from product lab analyst Ina, let's proceed to packaging lab. Here you'll meet Anna, packaging lab analyst. She will try to share our packaging development and evaluation here in packaging lab to you.
Thank you, Gina. Welcome to the packaging lab. Let's go inside. Before entering packaging lab, there is two important things that you have to follow. The first one is to wear safety coats and safety shoes. And the second one, you have to read the laboratory hazard guidance. As you can see there, the iconic one, this is Innovation Sample Storage, the place that we put all the samples of RNA prototyping historical journey. For the testing area, packaging lab has been divided into 5 zones. Zone 1 is for the dimensional testing, and the remaining zone is for the functional testing. Zone 2 and 3 actually for the functional tests that need compressor for its equipments. Zone 4 is for the functional testing for the cap and the preform. And the last one, Zone 5, is for the functional testing for the secondary packaging.
Basically, packaging lab has capability on doing prototyping design, validation and study during development stage, support innovation, renovation study, and quality improvement study root cause analysis, and produce credible sample for consumer test during exploration. Now, after you get an overview about packaging lab, let's continue to deep dive into the measurement activity. We have favorable instruments that we usually use as the top usage instrument. For the dimensional testing, there is 2 favorable instruments. The first, coordinate measuring machine. This instrument is used to measure the dimension for multiple samples at once running. It has an automatic, semi-auto, and manual program, and can produce results for large-scale sample and in a quick time. The second, profile projector. This instrument is used to measure the dimension and its visual by looking into the detail the surface area. For the functional testing, we have 3 favorable instruments. The first, automatic torque tester. This instrument is usually used to measure the opening torque of the finished product, especially on its cap, resembling our consumer during the opening cap. The second, universal testing machine. Basically, this instrument has a push and pull principle. It can be used for many kinds of testing. But in packaging area, we usually use to measure the top load of the bottle and tear off for capsule, and also creasing force for the carton. The third, sun test. Sun test is used for accelerated weathering simulation. It helps us to customize the environment mimicking extreme weather by setting up the type of lamp, energy and duration of the exposure that the lamp given. We still improve our lab capabilities to deliver the best packaging prototyping. We always give our best to deliver the consumer expectation through the best material and convenient design.
I hope you have enjoyed this journey and learned something new and interesting at Packaging Lab. Thank you.
That's all inside Research and Innovation Lab Aqua. In Danone Aqua Research and Innovation Lab, we embrace our responsibilities to bring best drinking water wherever possible to as many people as possible. Thank you for visiting. Goodbye!